Medline is on a mission to erase caudties with our industry-leading drain bags, leg bags, and urine meters. Drain bags are available in both 2 and 4 liter capacity, with leg bags available in 20 and 32-ounce sizes. Neither is made with natural rubber latex. Operation is simple with our drainage device. For drain bags equipped with a metal clamp, simply remove the device from the housing. Carefully aim the drainage port and release the clamp. Once empty, close the clamp and place it back in the housing. Slide tap drain bags are metal-free, great for MRIs, and just as easy. Remove device from housing and open the slide tap lock to expel urine. Be sure to close the slide tap when finished. Our soft, adjustable, latex-free leg bags operate similarly. Open the slide tap lock to expel urine and close when finished. Leg bags and urine meters equipped with a bottom twist valve can be emptied by unscrewing the valve. Tighten to close. When installing a drain bag, make sure to use a bed sheet clamp to secure tubing and prevent pulled or kinked lines. 2 prongs are included to secure the bag to the bed rails. Make sure to mount the bag below the patient's bladder for proper urine flow.